to Mombassa. So do I have to ask that I just met Nick and then I'm eating his chips? So ever like take a train for 5 hours without eating. The hunger is serious. So I took a walk at the beach this morning and I'm about to go take a shower and then like change my outfit and go for breakfast. And after breakfast we'll be going to Diani for like dinner or something. So yeah, let's go, you guys. Off to the cave restaurant. Yeah, pretty excited for that.
Wait now, please now, just.
So I'm driving with I know an Abu Bear in this car. Hey guys, on our way to Diani. I actually got stopped by the police and they tried to lock me up in this cell because I forgot my Nigerian passport. So it's very important. Like if you're coming to Kenya, always go with your passport. I don't know how I forgot. Like I'm always scared that I'm going to misplace my passport, so I don't like carrying it out. But yeah, I mean that's it. And then second thing is we actually got on a ferry. So yeah, so many cars are like around me right now, and we're like on this very slow ass moving thing, safari, which to be honest I'm not feeling, but I mean it's okay. We're crossing over to Diani from Mombasa. So you pick the oyster.
Excuse me. Yeah. 8,800. Thank God. That's the end. We're not buying anything.
Oh, that's so good.
How much? How much? How much?
8 something. 8.
I think that is not that bad. And you're ruining my YouTube video, baby.
You can go again, you have plenty of oysters.
Actually, nobody has to.
You are such a natural at this oyster thing.
As in, wow. I'm proud of you.
So now off to the beach, snorkeling. I don't know, let's see how it goes.
Loretta, may I never see you for the next 10 years.
Hello.
I hope she's alive, oh.
She has come in. She has come there. Hello.
Hey, if you want down behind the ladder, don't go to the ladder. Behind the ladder there.
I don't think she's going down anymore. But you almost got there now.
I was there.